Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to ask a question on AliExpress. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to ask a question on AliExpress. Maybe because you want to purchase a product, but before you have a query in your mind and you want to clear it, so that's why you're looking to ask a question. Or you want a customization in the product, so you want to ask for it to seller. Or it could be any other reason for you to ask a question on AliExpress. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the AliExpress app. And if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account. Once you're done with all that, just simply tap on the icon of the AliExpress to open the app. Once it get open, first it will show you an ad, and after that it will show you a promotion, so you can skip that. And after that you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of products available on the screen, you can check them. And other than that, we have options at the below and at the top of the screen. So from all these options and products, you can ask a question, but before you have to find that product to whom you want to ask a question. Let's say this is the mic that you want to purchase, but there's a question in your mind and you want to ask to the seller before purchasing it. So you could do is that you can ask a question like how many colors are available in the mic and which power is available for the mic, like that. So likewise, I'm going to get into another product, and there you can see I have just opened this product, and this is the place where you could ask question. And first you can also see the questions that are asked by other people for this product, so you can also ask any question. So if you want to ask a question, you just have to simply click on this option which says question and answer. Once you click onto this option, you will be easily able to write your question. So at the bottom you can see we have an option through which you can type something, and on the other side we have the questions that are asked by the other people. So here at the bottom you can type your question. It could be any question, whatever query is in your mind, you can ask it. And if there's any customization you want in the product before purchasing it, so you can also ask it to the seller by just typing your question here. And once you're done typing your question, you just have to simply click on this red color option which is ask. Once you click on it, your question will be sent to the seller, and whenever the seller is available, he or she will see it and will reply to your question. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can ask a question on AliExpress. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.